How to transfer money from GCash to Maya. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your GCash application and then find the bank transfer or send money feature. Once you have found that, you want to go ahead and simply select send to bank. Then you want to go ahead and tap on view all, and then in the search bar, you can go ahead and search for Maya Philippines, or you can simply tap on Pay Maya Philippines right over here. And just like that, once you have selected it, you will then be able to find a send money option. You can go ahead and enter the amount you wish to transfer and the recipient's 11-digit mobile number. This is their Maya account number. Double check the information and then tap on send money to initiate the transfer. And just like that, you can monitor the transaction status within the GCash app. If the transfer is successful, the money should appear in the recipient's Maya account. If there are any issues, you can contact GCash for assistance. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.